Wario. SM 95, 95, okay, boom. One of those. Now we need P and S. There it is, Persian GX. 149, 149, boom. And we need Sigalith with an S. Sigalith GX. Right there. Sigalith GX number 98. 98, there it is. Look at that nice little lineup of cards they got, eh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 GX and EX cards. I mean, I guess that's all you really want, right? It's kind of sad because you got all these Pokemon cards. Just so many of them are bulked and useless. And then everybody just wants the GX and EX when they play or collect. It's just like those are the only ones you want. When you're opening packs and stuff like that, it's like only a handful of packs actually have the GX and EX cards, and all the other cards are just like wasted. 5 nice hollow cards right there. Alright, 1 of each, that's all good. So these are actually already all in penny sleeves from before. So we grab our top loader, promo code, team bag. Stack it all on like that. Put it all into the team bag. Nice thick stack of cards right there. Nice. It's packaged up nice and clean. And that one's done. What time is it? Oh shit, it's already 8 o'clock, man. Okay, next order. Plushies, Nintendo DS, loose. Plushies on Nintendo DS. A loose game. There it is. Plushies, Nintendo DS. Tiny little loose Nintendo DS game. This one was also purchased directly on our website. And because it's so tiny, I'm just gonna shove it in one of these. Nice, done. Okay, next one. God of War Collection, PlayStation 3. This one's also purchased on the website. Going to Toronto. I actually just sold one of these yesterday, so hopefully we didn't get a double sale on here. God of War. God of War, God of War. Don't see any God of War. Could have a whole section of God of Wars. It's God of War Collection. Oh, here it is. Yep. Remastered in high definition. That's good. Okay, what's up next? Oh, that's page 2 of that. Holy shit. Wait. Holy fuck. Look at this order. This is probably one of the biggest card orders I've ever seen that we've had. Wow. Look at this Pokemon card order. All that. Oh, my alarm. Okay. This is all Pokemon. So we're going to go through here one by one. These are literally like all GX cards. Just destroying my GX collection. That's okay. Okay, what do we got here? Darkrai. Let's get Darkrai. Aeolian Raticate. Nope. Okay, Darkrai EX. We literally just packed another one of these. What about Centiskorch? Nope. Oh. Bennett. Bennett. Right here. Bennett GX SM766 right there. So I'm gonna start marking these off as I work through it. Bennett is done. Okay, any other A's or B's? Nope. Let's go to the next one. C's. Oops. Okay, what do we have in C's? Celebi. Celebi V. Right here. That is number 1. Right there. No more C's. Okay, we got a bunch of D's. Let's go Darkrai. Darkrai EX. Likely this one. Number 63. 63. And we have Darkrai GX, which we just packed up on another order. Number 88. 88. Okay, and we've also got Dialga GX. Number 82, which is in the glass on the front. Yep. Dialga GX. Which is one of my rare cards. Dialga GX. Okay, who's next? Okay, any E's? Oh, no E's. Okay, any F's? Nope, no F's either. G. Goliosopod GX. Okay, which one is it though? Number 17. 17 is this guy right here. Any H's? Yep, Hoopa. Hoopa GX. This guy right here, that's a cool guy. SM996, that's the one. Hitmonchan. Okay, Incineroar. I know I saw Incineroar. Is it my special one? No, it's not actually. Incineroar SM1029. This one right here. Okay. Took one of my non-GX cards. Okay, any Ks? Keldo GX.